Howdy gang, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited about what we're cooking. Chile Colorado, one of my favorite Mexican dishes. Basically, it's a thick stew made of reconstituted, dried red chilies and some super tender meat, along with a blend of spices that just elevate this flavor-wise to the top of my list for Mexican foods. Not only does it taste good, but it's super good for you. These red chilies are loaded with vitamin C, along with antioxidants, heart-healthy ingredients.
We're starting with the soul of the dish. 3 types of dried chilies: Guajillo, Ancho, and New Mexican. Each one of these brings something special. Guajillos are slightly sweet and tangy. Anchos are earthy and mild, and New Mexican chilies give us that deep, smoky richness. Give them a good sniff. The aroma is incredible. It's like you can already taste the sauce. Now we need to prep these. I cut each chili open with kitchen scissors and remove the stems, the seeds, and the veins. This cuts down on the bitterness and makes the sauce smoother. Once cleaned up, I place them in a hot, dry skillet, no oil, for about 1 minute, just to roast them lightly and wake up the oils inside. You don't want to burn them, just a quick roast until they become fragrant. After that, I move the toasted chilies into a pot and cover them with hot water. Let them soak for about 20 minutes to rehydrate. They'll soften up nicely and get ready for blending. While those are soaking, let's move on to the meat. I used about a pound of chuck steak cut into bite-sized cubes. I coat the beef in seasoned flour. Just flour with a bit of salt, pepper, and maybe a pinch of garlic powder. This helps get a good sear and thickens the sauce later on. So I heat up some oil in my cast iron skillet and brown the beef in batches. You're not cooking it through yet, just giving it that nice caramelized crust. That's the flavor right there. Now I mince up half a yellow onion and 2 jalapenos. You can remove the seeds if you want less heat. I saute them in the same pan until the onion is soft and translucent. Now let's make our chili sauce. I take the softened chilies and add them to the blender along with some of that chili soaking water, just enough to get things moving, and I blend it until it's smooth. Then I add 8 cloves of garlic, yep, that's 8, and my seasoning, which is cumin, salt, black pepper, and oregano. Add a little more chili water if needed to get the consistency you like. Some folks like to strain their sauce, but if you're using a good strong blender, you're good to go. I've added 2 cups of beef broth to the onion and jalapeno mix. Pour the red chili sauce into the pan with the sauteed onion and jalapeno. Then stir in the browned beef. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook low and slow for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally. The beef will get tender and the sauce will thicken and deepen in flavor.
Here you go gang, Chile Colorado. It's a blend of 3 different red chilies with some super tender beef in there. The flavor is fantastic, and not only that, it's just super good for you. I'm going to use these tortillas as a spoon and dig into it. So I hope you guys make this. You won't regret it. Enjoy your Chile Colorado, and I'll see you next time.